I'm so sad that mini egg season is nearly over, literally my favorite season of the whole year, so it's only right we make some cookies with them. This is one of the easiest cookies recipes to follow, I promise. In a bowl, you want to start by mixing in some soft butter, white granulated sugar and light brown sugar. Cream that together and then add in your 2 eggs and mix that in until you see it become pale in colour. This is why I'm saying this recipe is so easy, no mixes needed at all. Next, you want to add in your dry ingredients, which is some plain flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt, and sift that through. To make these look super pretty and aesthetic, I'm crushing in some mini eggs. And I'm also cutting up some chocolate bar that actually has mini eggs in there. What? Sorry, when I just said that it threw me off guard. But yeah, you want to add both variations in and combine that together. I like to use my hands because that is the easiest way to allow the cookie to form. And this is optional, but I added in a milky button in the center because I love white chocolate. And then you want to put these in the fridge for an hour, nothing less than that. Spread evenly onto your baking tray and let them bake for around 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And again, this is optional, but I love how they look when you drizzle some melted chocolate on top, so that's exactly what I did. And yeah, the cookies are ready to enjoy. Trust me, heat these up in the microwave for 30 seconds and thank me later. They're so ooey and gooey and delicious.